So to save time we will go directly to the saphenofemoral region. पाय बाहेर फिरवा थोडासा आणि मोडून घ्या. हां, बस टेकून ठेवा खाली, आतमध्ये धरून ठेवा असं. So we have seen here the Mickey Mouse. Hello. Okay. Uh, that is the Mickey Mouse again, the saphenofemoral junction, the GSV. There is one tributary here going laterally from the GSV. If you see it, that goes in the superficial plane. Think I'll show them again. See this tributary, this tributary, this is that lies ultimately in the superficial plane. That way you identify the GSV and its tributaries. Okay, so we take the classical position of evaluation of saphenofemoral junction. थोडं आतमध्ये धरून ठेवा. हां, पाय ढिला सोडून द्या. Artery come medially, vein, reduce the probe pressure and see the junction. Okay. This is common femoral vein, that is the junction. This is the wall and that is GSV. Okay, we'll try to see whether there is reflux here. Steer to the correct direction, make our angle, Doppler angle lowest possible. पोट फुगवा, सोडून द्या. पोट फुगवा, सोडून द्या. There is momentary reflux. We'll try to measure how much it is. पोट फुगवा, सोडून द्या. Reflux is not very long. We can measure the time for which the reflux is. It is almost half a second, 500 milliseconds. Some people take this as abnormal. So as I said, there is no much consensus. So whatever we see, we should report and let the clinician decide. Or if you are yourself planning the procedure, then you can decide depending on his symptoms, other signs, whether we should go for endovenous treatment or not. Okay, deep vein evaluation, steer to the other side, that is SFV, SFA. पोट फुगवा, सोडून द्या. So what you see here is deep venous reflux. Again, पोट फुगवा, see that, सोडून द्या. The flow touching the baseline, going to other direction after he is doing Valsalva. There is severe deep venous reflux. Veins is patent. trace in transverse, check the compressibility. So there are no, you can see some large vein is coming here, and you see that, see this vein, this is coming here, right from the medial side. That is from the superficial plane, it is coming down, 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 and entering here. So this is, you can consider this as a thigh perforator and try to see. पोट फुगवा जरा, सोडून द्या. So on Valsalva you can see the reflux here. पोट फुगवा, सोडून द्या. फुगवा, सोडून द्या. So the flow is antegrade and retrograde. So that is a big reflux, the refluxing or incompetent perforator in the thigh region. We go to the popliteal region. तिकडे कट घे, तिकडे कट घ्या त्या बाजूला, पलटा असे पायावर पाय ठेवा. हां, in the earlier patient we couldn't see the SPJ, but I think we can identify it here. So there, that is short saphenous, these are the tibials, and these are the popliteal vessels. Okay, short saphenous in the fascia, I am going above in the popliteal fossa, and after this insertion or the origin of SF ATA or insertion of ATV, it will in the superior aspect or the cranial side, the short saphenous will dip down and enter the popliteal vein. I will make a long section here and try to see that. See, you need to differentiate between ATV and the short saphenous. The ATV will be a paired structure, there will be anterior tibial artery, and they will never go into the superficial plane or the plane for the GSV. And this is in the transverse in the fascia, that is in that fascia we had talked about, and then it is dipping down. It is not accompanied by artery. So that is the junction here. This is the junction, that is popliteal vein, and this is the short saphenous vein. Okay, flow is normal. पोट फुगवा जरा, सोडून द्या. फुगवा, सोडून द्या. फुगवा, सोडून द्या. there is some change in direction. The blue is changing to red after doing Valsalva. This one. Try to do a spectrum here. पोट फुगवा सोडून द्या. फुगवा सोडून द्या. So it is not refluxing. That there is cessation of flow here in this part. This was pre-Valsalva. At Valsalva there is no flow. This small amount of change in direction is expected in SFJ and SPJ also. So SFJ evaluation we have done. Popliteal we have seen. We'll just confirm on color. So now you see both. That is the insertion of anterior tibial vein into the popliteal, and this is the insertion of short saphenous or small saphenous vein into the popliteal. So here vein is accompanied by artery, and they will remain in the muscular plane. They will remain in the muscular plane, whereas the GSV will go into its own fascia. Okay. सरळ झोपा. We'll see the medial compartment. पाय बाहेर काढा आणि फिरवून ठेवा असं. Start from medial malleolus. We need to check for DVT. That is it. Here compressing. Veins are getting compressed. Veins are getting compressed. There is a perforator here. I'll apply jelly. Either you screen the GSV or you screen the posterior tibial vein. Then you can get most of the perforators. So see this perforator coming from long way and entering it here. Okay, so there can be n number of perforators. These are all in the superficial plane. These are all tributaries, dilated tortuous tributaries. So you need to differentiate. This is GSV, this is tributary. Okay, and this is a perforator going down. So that was one perforator we had seen. We'll just see whether it is competent or not. Put color there. Before putting color, we can measure the size at the site of perforation. 3.8 is a larger one. Try to evaluate whether it is incompetent. it shows reflux. You can see this red is coming towards the probe. So that is going deep. So there are multiple perforators. You should label them as upper thigh, upper leg, mid leg, medial, lateral, whatever, wherever the anatomical location is, or you can label them as per the nomenclature. So he has got saphenofemoral reflux, then deep vein reflux, thigh perforator, and leg perforator on the medial side, multiple perforators. So we need to see right side. No, no, which side you want to do? That fellow? Okay. ठीक. We almost end the demonstration here, and now we will take the ablation case. While the things are arranged, we can answer some questions. Yes.